Okay, let me show you. Remember this fall off? Remember that fall off 1K points? Let me show you how you could have taken it. No, wait. Okay, what do we have here? Accumulation, manipulation. Once when we wick so much because it's open, right? This is gonna be open. If you take only the like open candle, I wouldn't use the wick most of the times because the wick is just gonna be because of the volatility of the open. So this is gonna actually be the actual like, you know, actual fucking manipulation down. But you can also, I think you can also do this one right here. So again, but no, you can't. Okay, I mean, you can. It's gonna be as I said, you can do the Asia session one, but as I said, I do like more this range right there, as I showed on the other videos. So put it there. Oh, shit, just put it there. We are not gonna use, as I said, this kind of volatility just because it's the six. It's gonna be a lot of volatility. So we're just gonna put it there. Or if not, you can just go into the 5 minute. Yeah, you can see like how big this shit is. So just use this, right? Just don't use the wick. I don't like the wick. So again, manipulation, shit, consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Uh, surprise, surprise. Look at that. You just top ticked 1,000 points. I know it sounds fucking crazy, but it is what it is, bro. You just top ticked 1,000 points right there. And I'm not even joking, bro. This is 1,000 points. Like I'm not even joking, bro. Look, this is our entry. Whoopsie, whoop, our entry. Right up here. 1,100 points standard deviation. So, for those who still believe that this is hindsight or that don't believe in this shit, you just saw what would I have done here. You can see how we engineer liquidity right there. What is this gonna be? Our friend 30, little 30. What is this gonna be? Yep, 30 soup. See how we soup it? Put your limit straight up there. Put your stops right there. So it's gonna be 15-point stop loss. And surprise, surprise, Powell's poke. Imagine you hold is this. You just made, I don't know, fucking generational wealth with this BS. This is, I don't know, this is $100,000 if you made like two cons. This is fucking crazy shit. You just top ticked 1,000 points based on the standard deviation. And the turtle soupy, right? Remember this turtle soup? This is gonna work a lot for like the like to know which one works. But again, if you go to the 1 minute, you're gonna see a lot of entry confirmations. I already did this shit. Let me go to a little more back in time. Just show you a couple more examples, and I think this is gonna be it. Really, I think there's not much more to explain. I don't know. Just go random fucking play. I don't know, just here. Boop. Okay. What do we have here? We see, right. We see. We're just gonna wait for London. Oh my god, I didn't wait for London. No, wait. Okay. What is London doing? It's because I was on the 30 minute. What is London doing? It's going down. So what is the trend? We identify the trend, right? So first, identify the trend. What is the trend? Down. Second, we identify the manipulation candle, which is going to be the manipulation candle this and this day. So as you can see, there's a lot of shit just moving in here, but which is going to be the last manipulation, the actual manipulation candle before we continue the trend in the span that we like right here. You can see it. Boop. I'll just put it there, right there. It aligns perfectly with previous day high. So if we take previous day high, Probably would just put my limit there, which is gonna be little 30. Just put a little 30 there. I don't even know if it works, but yeah. What would be the manipulation channel? This would be it, probably. So yeah, just because we continue to the downside, yeah, this would be the manipulation channel. As I said, on the like little time-based frame we have here, like between the PM and the actual Asia kill zone. And let's just see. Okay, we rape everything. Jesus Christ. We rape everything, but again, it's cool, right? We're not gonna get entries all of the days. It's gonna be examples of it. So okay, we rape everything, but again, look, rapey, rapey, and touchy, touchy. You just got touched right there. Oh shit, that sounds bad as fuck. You just got touched. Okay, just got touched, and then 200 points more right there, based on the standard deviation. So, yep. Uh, this right here did look good, but we didn't reach it. But it's okay. And again, yeah, 200 points right there. Uh, okay, let me show another example done the other day right here. So, wow, this is shitty because there's what is the trend overall trend before we start New York? It's gonna be to the downside, right? We're doing like this little shitty, right? Like uh higher high, lower high, little soup, and continue down. So what is the leg gonna be? It's gonna be the trend. Identify the trend. It's gonna be down. What is the last leg gonna be? Accumulation, manipulation. I think maybe you could count everything as manipulation in this case. So in this case, it's not gonna be really clear because this just looks like absolute garbage. Okay, jeez. I think this would work actually. Yeah, as I said, this little manipulation leg just at the time frame that we like it, right? So just put it from there to there, from wick to wick. Oh look at that. Wow, we just top tick 130 points. Wow, amazing. What do we target? Liquidity right there. Boom. TP right there. Top tick right there. Boom. 164 points. Top tick 164 points. So yeah, let me put just one more example, but I think it's pretty clear, right? Uh, okay, oh sheesh. Okay, clear trend, right, to the fucking upside. Are we gonna have here? What is the last like swing between the time frame? It's gonna be probably this swing, right? So just put this shit here, this shit here. Oh shit! I already got fucking crapped into. Look, we just did a 30, so probably would have put my shit here. Again, I'm probably always gonna wait for a 1 minute confirmation because it's gonna make it. You see, if you put this, it's gonna make it. You're gonna have a higher win rate if you just do that. But but yeah, I mean, overall you're gonna have a higher win rate if you do the 1 minute confirmation or 5 minute or whatever. So yeah, again, identify the trend, upside, identify the manipulation, put the from upside to downside, from wick to wick, and be patient. Right. Let's just wait to see what it does. Okay, yeah, absolutely fucking rapes it that day, right? Right. You see, imagine you just took it straight off the level, you would have lost, and probably here there were me more confirmations, so you would have gotten 33 points, which is again like kind of crazy. I mean, I don't see. Let me look because again, this is a fucking shitty example. But yeah, I mean, accumulation, manipulation to the downside is gonna be all this manipulation, and so I'm not gonna be seeing like much more than this. Yeah. So okay, we get rapey right here, as you can see. Another entry based on the standard deviations right there. Delivers deliver doesn't let me. Why doesn't it let me? Delivers around 140 points just based on the Standard deviation. So yeah, it's just being patient, being it's not always you're not always gonna top tick, so don't go expecting the market to top tick every day, every move, because that's not gonna happen. That's not realistic. But you are gonna if you're patient, you are gonna have like nice trades, just as I showed you. This leg up is already 140 points, right? Just based on the standard deviation. Okay, trend. What is it gonna be? To the upside. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Clear, 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 clear as fucking day. Here we have a clear as fucking day. What do we have here? Probably gonna touch this. Why? Because it's little 30 soup. If not, we touch this because of the wick. But I like a lot the 2.5. Why? Because we also have this shit. Wow, it's also aligning with the 2.5 and a little 30. So this is gonna be a huge, nice level right there. Boom. Okay. Boop. Right there. Oh no, we don't touch it. No way, we don't touch it. Jesus Christ, this is the most horrible shit price action I've ever seen. Okay, but again, yeah, we did actually turn it stupid. And as you can see, we did not close below. Oh shit, we closed below the 2.25. So in this range, you're probably gonna get a 1 minute confirmation, right? So little soupy, as I said. And oops, 80 points. This is oh, I'm showing shitty fucking examples. This except for the like sell 1K sell off, but these are shitty examples. But again, not really shitty. You're not gonna, as I said, you're not gonna top tick everything every day. So, but again, 80 points a day, 60, 70 points a day is still like fucking crazy good. And as I said, look, I fucking called it out. Little turtle soupy. Boop. We go into that 1 minute. Just go 1 minute, and then your little entry confirmations. Let me just show one more. Okay, what is the overall trend to the downside? What is the manipulation candle? This is gonna be the whole manipulation candle before the fucking trend, right? What are we gonna get? Just wowzers! You just stop take this. Boop. Right here. Oh look, our previous level. You just top tick 200 points here, and look what our previous level from the previous days. That whoop. That's 14 point. Jesus Christ, this is so unbelievable. This is a 15-point drawdown for another 200 points. So yeah. Oh, by the way, you wouldn't have gone and stopped out here. So 200 points, 200 points, and another 200 points. Oh, look, and another 100 points. So yeah, I think I showed myself. I think not show myself because I know this is legit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I think these examples are gonna actually like benefit you to actually see and well, has been wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row that you would have gotten an entry and you would have gotten at least 70 points. At least, as I said, fixed TP from 50 to 70 points, at least every time, just based on the standard deviation. And probably we go to the 1 minute, it's going to be the same. We're going to get entry confirmations. So, yeah, there's not much to say. I'll re-explain it. I'll do in a couple of hours. It's gonna be in what, like 2.5 hours. I'll do a Q&A. So yeah. I think there's no more doubt, or there should be. I mean, yeah, of course there should be doubt, but again, I was just trying to say, like, if you think this is hindsight or just straight up luck, then you think whatever the fuck. But as you can see, improving myself over and over for the examples. Having if you have patience, you're not gonna lose any day. You're gonna be break even on the day if you get like shitty entries. But you just have to be patient. That's it. Be patient. Wait for actual confirmations, and that's it. As you can see, I'm not lying. This is top tick shit. This is soap type shit. The 1K bullshit fucking drop down. That is soap type shit. And we just made it fucking easier. We just made it without the stupid little order flow and stupid shit, right? So yeah, um, again, whatever questions y'all have, please tell me. So yeah, I think this should be enough examples. I'll do more examples on the Q&A and just write out whatever questions you have to the Q&A or the premium questions. So